Hi, Mike Burke here with Sunstoppers, here to talk to you about legal window film in North Carolina. In North Carolina, the law reads 35% visual light transmission. That's how much light has to come through the glass with the film attached to the glass for it to be legal in North Carolina. The DMV, state troopers, and inspection stations regulate that with light meters, with little meters that go over the glass. This is when you get your car inspected. They will basically come out, meter it, make sure it's 35% or lighter. As you can see on this board right here, this is the X-Bell CS window film. It's our good looking film. As you can notice, we have a 5, a 20, a 43, a 55, and an 88. So a lot of guys come in and they go, hey, why are you putting 43% window tint on my car? Well, the reason why is because we want it to be guaranteed to be legal. There's 3 to 5 to 7% factory tint in the glass. So we have to use a little bit of a lighter film. We meter it, make sure it reads 35% or lighter, then we guarantee your car will be inspection safe in North Carolina. I also would like to talk to you about the 5%, the 20%. And what that does is allows us to put darker window film on the back half of trucks and SUVs. In the state of North Carolina, the way the law reads is the driver and passenger windows have to be 35%. The back 2 doors and the back glass can be as dark as you want. Unfortunately, you drive a car, you're penalized. By driving a car, you have to have 35% on the rear glass, the back doors, and the driver and passenger doors. I didn't make the laws, guys. I'm just telling you what they are. You can do a visor strip on your car, up to 5.5 to 6 inches at the top, or the AS1 line. AS1 line is usually marked on the windshield with like a little writing that'll say AS1, and we'll get it right to the line, and that is considered what's legal. You can tint a front windshield in North Carolina. The 88% is considered clear. So in North Carolina, you can do it just for UV and protection purposes. And that's a very clear film, so it's not tinted, and that's the way the exemption is in the law. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at Sunstoppers. We'd love to answer any questions you may have. And this kind of explains why we use the film 43 and you have factory tint in your glass. Have a good day.